digital transformation as a whole in the pharmaceutical industry has really sped up in recent years. I think anything that we can do to unlock the potential of data through digital transformation is going to be huge in recent years, especially with new products being released on the market every single year, it feels like, in terms of categories like cell and gene therapies, or CAR T and things like that. I think it's going to be massive.
Continuous manufacturing, I understood, is something all the big pharma are investing. I think also CMO are going there. So for sure, continuous manufacturing is something we need to. It's representing the innovation in this area, and is something we need to work together to arrive to something that is more known and reduce, so that we can reduce the effort in transferring products there and launching products on this equipment, this technology.
I think that there are some different various ways of the development. Yes, as I can see, from one perspective, more and more important start to be biological products or biotechnology in general.
Sustainability topic. You see that a lot of changes are going on with the packages. They should be sustainable or renewable or stuff like that, and that is one of the topics which makes it also really interesting for us, because all these new packages also need a very good air tightness of their packages, and that's where leak detection comes in. So there's a good match within, let's say, the new sustainability topics and the goals set for the different big companies.